Maybe you don't know yet. You're full of fucking muck.
I think those.
It's all worn here because you're wrong. Alright, you back on?
Okay. Oh, we need the light there.
Okay, we're gonna use our fancy purple grease here.
Scooby's favorite.
Somebody's been drinking it. I think it used to be full. I don't know who used it up. This is heavy duty Navy Marine grease.
Oh, so it's not going to disappear anytime soon.
Oh, it'll probably still come off, but we'll just try to do what we can to make it good. Okay, where's your marquee at? Zero up, right? Here's your lever. What is that for? Stuff you needed for some reason?
I thought I needed a washer there.
This goes this way, I think. It's tight. I
know it is tight on there.
Tight and greasy. Alright, your favorite. I have a way of doing tight shit. Like that. Make it work.
I don't know if that's the way I had it on there, though. The little part with the grind in it was facing in. So if you put it on that way,
the shoe goes this way.
It's going to be more problems.
Too far back, it has to go this way.
Yeah, that's how I had it.
Because this is the bottom. It
Yep.
pulls that way.
Yep. It looks like a reverse calf.
That way is the other way.
Huh?
The other way puts it in the wrong spot, so you know it's wrong. Okay, got tension on it.
Wow. Holy shit. I mean...
Well, that's zero clearance, because I left the bushes slightly tall on purpose.
Wow. It just moves.
It does move, yeah.
Imagine.
Magic. Magic. Well, you do stuff right.
Do I need to go scuff these on the concrete or something?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Your bike's so full of grease and oil, I'll never know the difference. Where's that washer you had?
I don't know why that washer's on there, to be honest.
Spread the load.
I don't normally believe in washers.
Washers are good. Locks, not so much.
I thought that washers can decrease in the amount of holding power.
Nope.
Really?
Lock washers, but not regular washers.
Oh.
Okay, so that's in there like it should be. The arrow's still going up, see? Where's our pivot at? Pivot. Remember this thing? Goes on the side though.
Yep. And a square washer.
Rectangle. So it doesn't wobble like you had it. Be different. Okay. So you're cut out?
Yes. Cut out on the upside. Makes a lot of sense.
Like that.
It must have been dark when I was putting it together.
Yeah, sure. Sounds like a plan to you. This goes over top of that. See the hole?
Yep. It's very, very accessible.
Okay, so you got a heavy spring and a light spring.
I put the heavy one on the cam side.
That's easy how you do it. Usually I put these on the back side like that.
This is my favorite part. The bear trap part. Ooh.
Shooting at us. Riders are going.
Yep.
Time about 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. About 10. Yeah, it's about normal. I think somebody wakes up this time of night or something, I'm not sure. They've been doing it every night about the same time. So. See how it goes tight?
Yep. It's always hard, yeah, it's always hard to get it into the little round part.
This looks like it's used.
It's missing part of the leg. It's pelagic.
No blue flowers. We'll have to make do with what we got.
Yeah.
Need a punch right there. Doesn't want to go in. Doesn't have to be all around, just have to hold it. Oh, that's heavy now. That just goes right in there like it's supposed
Well,
to.
when I need some new shoe linings, I'll probably just get a new drum at that point.
If you put a little bit of grease or something on there, it won't rust as much. One of the tricks you can do. Okay, well, that should fit in there. Now, when you set this up on your brake, like this, you put on the bike. That is not correct.
Nope. It probably needs to go like this.
It needs over here.
Yeah.
Who did that? Damn dumbasses around here.
It just needs to get flipped.
Anyway, when you put the brake on, after it's assembled, you put the brake on, the pivot will move where it wants to be in center, then you tighten it down. Make sure you get the brake on when you do that.
So put the brake on the bike, adjust it how it needs to be, and then tighten it.
Right. The pivot's what you do last.
I didn't know that.
And that way the brake shoes will center in the drum, they should work more evenly. Now,
That's going to be hard to get off.
This here is going to be hard to get off. I can't just bang on it like that. I'm sure it's good for it.
I tried that one.
It didn't work?
It was hard.
It's coming off though.
Slowly.
It is slow, but it's coming.
Put a screwdriver in between there.
I could do that. There's a big one right here.
Mm-hmm.
I bet you it doesn't make it any easier though.
But it's probably better than hitting on it.
I don't know about that. They're breaking something with the press. So you're supposed to put your nut on there like that before you beat on it.
I know.
I don't do that either.
That's not how it goes.
I think it actually does go like that.
Well, it won't go like that on my bike. I guarantee it.
You don't think so?
I guarantee it.
You want it over here?
That's how it goes.
You sure?
Yep. That's a very custom brake thing.
Notice how we're getting a square broken in?
Yeah.
We're making the threads tighter too.
I'm surprised the threads are still there.
We're making them tighter.
That's probably correct now.
You think so? When you pull it like that, it works?
Yeah.
It might be the way. It might be the way to go. Okay, so the last thing you do is make sure the shoes are lined up with the backing plate. See how they're in there nice and even?
Mm-hmm.
Not cocked and
So my
crappy.
backing plate should go all the way into the drum now.
It might actually maybe drop in there all the way like it's supposed to.
And not be so dang hard to get out.
It doesn't go all the way in because you don't have the dust shield in here. Otherwise it would be flush. Your dust ring's not here. The dust ring keeps dirt from going in the shoes.
Well, who would have thought?
If you had the correct parts, it would. Alright, that's it for now. Go put it on, we'll come back.